guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. And I also want to say thank you for those that have been subscribing. I do greatly appreciate you guys, and I see you, and I'm trying to comment to those that do comment on my videos. I am a little bit behind on that, but I do see your comments. All right, you guys, thank you so much. So in today's video, we are going to be doing my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in November. Before we count this cash, I do want to open up a sparkling water. I do have a green apple from Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open. And this candle here is from Cozy Flames. I will link her website down below, and it is so adorable. I actually bought 4 candles of hers. If you want to see them, I will link in the cards here the video that I showed them in, which was my last weekly check-in number 2 and 3 for the month of November. That way you can see how adorable they are. So cute. Okay, so let's just start counting this cash. I have them here in my pouch, which I won't show too high because then you'll see my face. Okay, so let me see, my calculator's right here. Okay, so let's just see how much we are cash stuffing today. So we have 50, 1, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm cash stuffing $728. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start with my first binder. We're going to start off with this binder here, and here to the side here I have just some water in this tumbler. I've just been drinking out of that today. This flame is a little bit too high, so I'm going to push that back just a tad. Okay, so eating out is going to get 50. So that's 20, 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. How's everyone's month going? Time is just flying by. I'm doing pretty good. I actually have my puppy with me this weekend. He's in his crate right now, here off to the left of me, actually to my right, and he's in his crate, just chilling. Okay, spending is getting 80. So we have 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80. Compra, I rolled over $50 from my last cash and stuffing. This is going to get 180. Okay, so let's just double check that this is 180. So this is 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, so my paycheck breakdown that I print out from my Excel spreadsheet, the denominations are not correct. So I'm going to, let me see here. I'm going to put 2 5s in here. Because I should have 180. So that's 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80, 210, 20, 30. So that's 130. 230. So if I have not enough money left over, I know that the 2 5s are in here. So I'm just gonna keep moving and see what happens. Okay, so gas, I transferred or rolled over $50 from my last cash on stuffing, and this is getting 100. So we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 90, 5, 96, 7, 8, 9, 100, and 20, 40, 50. So that's 150 for gas. Household is going to get a 10. Household now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 100, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's $110. My future rent is getting 50. Future rent now has 1,000, 100, 200, 300, and 50, 450, 550, 75. So that's $1,575. My cell phone is getting a 25. Cell phone has 20, 40, 60, 5, 75. I actually have to pay my cell phone bill. What's today's date? Today is the 20th. Yeah, so my bill's actually due today, so I have to pay that when I get off from recording. Okay, and that is it for this binder. We're gonna start off with my low priority sinking funds binder. And this envelope here and this one are anniversary gifts. So MWP is getting a 5. MWP has $100. This is in my Ally savings account. So that's 10, 15, 25, 35. So that's $235. And then TAP is also getting a 5. Now it has 51, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So between both envelopes, I have $360. Okay, so Delight is getting a 5. Delight has 20, 30, 5, 45, 55, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dustin is getting a 15. Dustin has 10, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gifts is also getting a 5. Gifts has 5, 10, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so gifts should actually have 25. I forgot to cash and stuff the $8 in my last cash and stuffing, so I'll just do that off camera and take that back to the bank tomorrow with the other cash. Okay, so home decor is getting a 5. Home decor has 25, 35, 45, 50. Supplies is getting a 5. Supplies has 5, 10, 11, 12. Support a friend is getting a 5. Support a friend has 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 22. Okay, now we're gonna do my high priority, which is this binder here. We're gonna start off with car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting a 10. Car maintenance has 500, 600, 700, 800, 950, 70, 80, 90, 1,000, and 10, 15, 16, 17. So that's 1,017. Medical is also getting a 10. Medical now has 5, 6, 7, 50, 770, 780, 90, 800, and 10, 20, 35, 41, and 42. So that's 842. Emergency is getting a 10. Emergency now has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. So that's 995. I'm almost at 1,000. So exciting. All right. I know I'm not talking a whole lot in my cash stuffing. I just tend not to talk too much because then I get myself really confused. So I'll just keep going. Okay, so travel is getting a 10. Travel has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 120, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So that's 680. I don't have any travel plans, but I just like to have money just in case something comes up. I have money in the sinking fund. Okay, so savings is getting a 10. Okay, so let's just count to see how much savings it has. We have 100, 200, 250, 260, 270, 280, 291, 234, 294. This is not the exact amount. I'm still having to figure out my savings category, which I'm going to do that this week at work. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is getting a 10. So we have 1,000, 2,000, 520, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $610. So that's $2,610 in my 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses. Doing really good in this one. Okay. Now we're going to do my box challenge. In my last cash stuffing, I stuffed this $50, and then I stuffed this one with 15. So I need to cash stuff this with 75. Let me just double check. So 75 plus 15 is 90. Okay, it's 50, 75. So let's just count this. So this is 50, 70, 80, 85, 90. I am almost done with this challenge. I have the month of December, which I'll show you in a moment, since I'm completed with November. Let me just check this off. I'm going to bring December forward. So we have a 55 and an 85. I get 3 paychecks in December. So I'm going to be able to cash stuff this. And also, I have one more bonus to cash stuff. So I'm going to also cash stuff this in December as well. So that is that. All right, so let's just close this back up. Let me take a sip of my sparkling water. Okay, so this should be $48. Let's just see. And I think I'm missing a 5. So we have 20, 30, 40, 51, 52, and 53. What? What did not get $5? OMG. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this video up. I have money that I have set aside because the $48 from here is money actually from my car payment. I'm pretty much done paying my car off. So the $48 that was originally supposed to be taken out from my car, this is the 48, plus I have an additional $5. So I'm gonna actually write a note to myself. That way I kind of can see where I went wrong. All right. Let's just put this together. And I'm gonna actually take out the $5 here. That way I know that this belongs to something else that I'm not sure where. So this envelope here has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 4, 5, 6. So that's 96. And I think that is correct because 48 times 2, yep, is 96. Because my paycheck number 1 and 2, I took out that $48 difference because I'm going to be cash stuffing this into Dustin's fund and also my medical bill because I am on a payment plan and I want to pay that off as soon as I can. You know, I don't want to have this lingering for 3 years. I want to pay it off by next year. So I'm just going to put this $5 back here. And that's it, you guys. This concludes my video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though I felt like I was kind of like all over the place. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. And if you're not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Also, leave me a snowman emoji to represent my little candle right here. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.